Next week, the Supreme Court considers if it will hear a case between major sports leagues and a New Jersey horse racing association. The lawsuit claims the leagues owe Monmouth Park Racetrack a $3.4 million bond plus interest. It also seeks money for economic damages estimated at $150 million accrued between 2014 and 2018. Basically, the horseman feels like it was improperly prevented from offering sports betting at Monmouth Park at that time. In December, a split federal appeals court ruled in favor of the horsemen. Now the Supreme Court could overturn the decision. If the Supreme Court declines to hear the case, however, it will return to federal court in New Jersey to determine the exact amount of damages. Katie Johnston for CBS Philly.